Hey guys, today I'm going to build a bunny hop practice tool. So what we're going to need: a mitre stand to make sawing easier. You can see the mitre saw, set square, pencil, bit of plastic tubing, but that'll be cut down, power drill, 2 posts, I've got to cut those to the right size, a flat piece of board that will be used as the legs, some drill bits, there should be a tape measure in there as well because we're going to need a tape measure, and a whole load of screws. So guys, I'm going to get into it. I'm going to cut those posts down to whatever size I need them, cut some legs, and then cut that pipe to length as well. Right guys, the reason why I said about a mitre saw is you can get a nice straight cut. You want a nice flat base on this, on the stand, so that then when you stand it up it's not going to fall down. So I'm going to get cut through this, and then we'll do the other one the same length, and then we'll sort out the bottoms so we've got a stand, and cut that length of pipe. Right guys, now we've got those cut to length. Don't need much higher than that. That's about knee height. That's all we really need. Right, I'm going to cut the feet now. I've just guessed the length here. Don't really need to measure it. Just a rough idea of how far you want it, so then it doesn't tip. So we'll get on and cut that. Alright, so guys, the next part will be to take your posts, and we want to measure different sizes, different heights, up to however high you want to go with these bunny hops. I think I'm going to have a look and work out how far I want to go. I might do it every inch, I might do it every 5 inches, I'm not sure yet. But we'll go ahead and mark it out, and the easiest way to do it will be to keep the ends together, lined up, and then use a mighty set square, so then I can get them the same height all the way up. Right guys, hopefully you can see this. I've made a set of little crosses all the way down, and what that's marked out is where the screws are going to go to hold the tubing in. Okay, so I'm going to drill the holes, we're going to drill a pilot hole, and then get the screws fixed in. Alright guys, there you go. You've got your screws in there. Now these screws will hold the tubing in place. I've done it in 5-inch steps, so 5, 10, 15, 20, and then it wasn't quite 25, so 24. So that sets your height then. It's going to be slightly out because I just realised that that's about 1 inch thick, so but it gives you a rough idea of what heights you're setting up for. It's more just to get an even step up, so you can bunny up over the first one, do that a few times, perfect it, then move up each one until you're bunny hopping over the top, which is a 24-inch. So, or it'll be about 25, 26. So yeah, so we've got to get the feet on now. I've got to drill a couple of holes in the centre of them, and then screw them onto the base of the legs. So we'll get on and do that. So I've worked out the centre roughly and drilled 2, 3, 5 holes in a square shape, if you like, or diamond shape. So that's going to fix screws onto the bottom of these legs. So they should be pretty much central. So we're going to line those up, put screws in and make up the legs. What I've also done, just quickly, is I've countersunk the holes. So the screws just sit in there nice and flush then. Anyway, we'll get on and get the legs fitted now. Right, there you go guys. The screws are in the base there. And that's the other one. So that's what you end up with. So I'll stand it all up and then you can see what the idea is. So guys, I'll put the camera in wide view so then you can see. So you've got the 2 posts. And you can set this on the levels. So it makes a high jump. What you need to do though is, obviously, if you run towards it coming from the way I am at the moment, it's not going to come off. If you come from the other side, if you don't clear it, your front wheel will hit this and it'll fall off, so it doesn't damage your bike. Okay, it's a little bit dipped in the middle with this. The tube needs straightening out, a little bit of heat that will straighten that up. But there you go, that's the idea. That's the idea. You have that balanced on now and it will give you something to practice bunny hopping with. Or you can even do a high jump with it. So start off at the bottom, next one up, a little bit higher, next one up, a little bit higher, next one up. You're probably going to have a laugh trying to do that, but yeah, a little bit higher, and then obviously at the top. And yeah, I think I may need a ramp to clear that one. But like I say, you practice your bunny hops, keep practicing, you'll be able to clear that. So that is the bunny hop hurdle. So I hope you enjoy this video guys, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and enjoy riding.